preparing to install these bollards. Let's see what we can do here. Let me show you the me digging this out. So my plan here is I got this piece of rebar on the string line. I got another piece down the other end. So I'm gonna try to make a fork and a fork down there and then put a 20-foot piece of rebar in the fork and weld it. Then I'm gonna put some more supports. I'm gonna beat them into the dirt, whatever I gotta do, and weld that all up. This way tomorrow, I could try to put these bollards in there and just lean them up against the rebar and level them and tack them. It's gonna tack weld everything, just like I did over here. I gotta get this done. I got too much other things to do at this house. So, gotta get it done. See what we can do. I'm hoping to be done this week. By Friday, concrete poured and finished. Pretty strong, the rebar. I just tack this in as a guide, and I'll put in one bollard at a time, and I can tack it to this. This is pretty strong. Just beat them in. I cut like 4-foot pieces, 5-foot pieces. I already got my lines where the bollard's gonna go. So I'll just come straight across, and I just have to level it, and I can tack it to this rebar just to hold it so I can get some more rebar in, just like I did over there. And that held up nice. None of them moved when that concrete truck was letting loose. I'm hoping for the same here. It's just a guide, that's all. All right, we got the first bollard tacked in. Excellent. So we got 4 of them in, tacked in. Got 2 left. Probably gonna put another full bar in front of them. But I just gotta get them all tacked up first. Then I'll put another full piece of rebar in. I still got 3 left. Should be enough. 3 20-footers. All 6 are in for the win. Tomorrow I'll probably put that bar on the front. Hopefully see if I can get some concrete tomorrow, either tomorrow or Friday. Today's Wednesday. I still gotta take some of this asphalt out. I keep forgetting to bring my chipping gun. I gotta remember to bring it tomorrow. Gotta chip some out on this side too. All right, so I had to call a couple different companies because nobody wanted to come out. Because of course I waited until 2 o'clock to call. Everybody's ready to go home by 2 o'clock. But I found this one company. I told them I needed 5 yards because I changed my plan here. It should take around 6 yards, but as I'm working here, you see down there in the neighbor's driveway, you see all that mulch in his driveway? There's a lot of storm water runoff. And it's happening right here. You see where the mud is. So whoever did this driveway didn't think about the neighbor. I'm gonna think about the neighbor right now. So I decided to pour this low so I can have time to work on my forms over here, but at least I won't have to worry about the bollards because they'll be locked in with all this. So as you can see how it slopes the driveway. So I'm probably gonna cut here, cut another wedge across, and then form this into my concrete. And I'm gonna raise it up. This way the water hits it, turns, goes down here, and turn here, and go through these trees here, these bushes, whatever they are. Here's the dirt from the hole. The rain will wash this all down though. So we'll get the water to go down there and then down to the creek instead of over there in the neighbor's driveway. Looks like he had a big storm drain put in. Looks expensive too. All because whoever did this driveway here didn't think about the neighbor. I mean, I'm sure he's got plenty of his own storm water runoff, but look at the size of that drain. Sheesh. So I'm gonna try to help him out here and take care of this. That'll be another video. Yeah, so just in case if you were wondering, the price on this. So I figured 6 yards, filling in the bollards. I didn't fill them in yet. And topping it off. But then I changed it. I told him I needed 5, and he told me he could give me 4 1/4. So I got 4 1/4 yards. That got me to this point. And the price was $7.95. I thought that wasn't too bad. Getting them at the end of the day, $7.95 for 4 1/4 yards with delivery and all. It's pretty good. I mean, if I would have did this by hand, it would have been at least 6 skids. That's like $800 right there. That doesn't include me and the kid getting them here and then having to mix them all. So it's definitely cheaper to get a truck. Yeah, the GoPro video, I had to stick you here. I had nowhere else to put you. You would have got covered in concrete. Yeah, this one here is off a little bit. There was a gigantic boulder down there. There's nothing I could do. I didn't want to cut the bollard to try to shape it to fit around it. It wouldn't stand up straight. So I just put it in. I don't think it's too bad. The bollard covers are a little bit bigger anyway. So I can move that over a little bit if that bothers somebody. It's off like a 1/2 inch there. It is what it is. But at least I don't have to worry about my customer going down that hill. I mean, going down slow is a circus. Imagine going down fast and hitting one of these trees, bouncing off, hitting another tree, and winding up in that creek down there. Sounds like a nightmare. Yeah, so before I leave, let's go check on my little furry friend. The little brown bat. Let's see how he's doing. You remember this? If you watched my wasp nest video, it was right there. So now it's not a wasp nest, it's a bat. Now I know these bats, they eat mosquitoes. The question is, do they eat wasps or hornets? Let's see if he's in there. Yes. There he is, hanging upside down. Sleepy time. So I'll cover them back up and leave them alone. No more wasp nests. Plus, I'm going to be framing this in. This is going to be a framed in porch area. So there'll probably never be a wasp nest here again.